Hello, hello. What's up? I hope few people should have joined. If not, I will just update the link. You- mm, um, Hi, hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's my phone. Damn it. All right, folks. We are live and let's. हेलो हेलो हाँ मैं लाइव में हूँ मैं करता हूँ बाद में हाँ so folks I am actually looking forward to enter in longs यूरो में गोल्ड में was see that this range looks sufficient in some other chart. Let's actually have a look at that. Oh, and that we अरे कैपेस्टोन गैप है. What is that? Oh, Rwanda. Nah, this looks sufficient. But in anyways, 12 hours, this range low is not really tested. My bias is still buying only. I will be looking for longs only because for the most charts there is inefficiency. So I'll just trust that, and I'm assuming that there is inefficiency in the charts. Also, my overall intent in oh, वेट करेंगे. See, यहाँ पे intent is bullish. I am expecting price will reach even higher premium area. Right now, this is more of a retracement rate. Try to understand this. ठीक है? Because yeah, because the order flow is holding bullish. 15 minutes, holding solid higher highs, higher lows formation. We have taken out this high. We got a body closure above. So I am expecting and intending that prices will continue to hold bullish and we will be seeing higher prices because we do have a clear pool of liquidity and a nice and mitigated piece of price action from where the initiation has begun. So very fair chance prices can come within this area because in 1 hour time frame, this is almost the premium area in the chart, like around 618 levels. We have already accomplished 50%, but yeah, 618 it is. चलो गाइस, यहाँ पे घुस जाओ longs घुस जाओ and keep your stop loss as this, roughly around 5 pips, and our target is up here a lot higher actually, around this. So we can easily get 1 to 6 from this trade, boys. I hope you have entered because I have entered. Risking 1% on this one. I'm quite confident about this area. कि prices यहाँ पे आएगी. So that's the reason this trade is logical. This trade is superb. ठीक है? I'm in this. Eh, dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I just came from gym और सीधा चार्ट पे बैठ गया. EU I am gold I am expecting like if it has to move up or dip down before buying. And just try to understand these are all retracement rates. So just manage and plan your positions accordingly. Don't over risk, don't go overboard. Just try to play safe and conservative because this is a counter trend move. Just that I do hold conviction in this. So this is logical. Okay, this is logical. एंड अगर 15 मिनट्स का ऑर्डर फ्लो शिफ्ट हो जाए और प्राइजेस ये लो को ब्रेक कर दे, विच लो, दिस लो, then I am going bearish. Okay, because we are also reacting from something like some decent area, so it's not like it's bad. But for now I see higher prices because there is this liquidity available. I want prices to take out that because the 15 minutes order flow is still holding bullish and it looks good, so it's logical. So definitely. If this fails, I will take another shot from here. Eh, I'll be right back. Just give me a quick minute. Actually, 2 minutes. Oh, okay. Just give me a minute. I'll be right back. Now this looks good. Now this looks good. Was it? Yeah. There are a lot of wicks ऊपर भी नीचे भी. मेरा तो यही सीन बन रहा है कि अगर ऊपर आए तो लॉन्ग्स ले सकते हैं. आई मीन शॉर्ट्स ले सकते हैं. XAUUSD 1.12 hour short. Yeah, still there is an efficiency. We can definitely look for good shots. And this is about to take us out. So after this goes, oh, not yet. Okay. I'm still in. I'm still in. ये नीचे तो काफी प्यारी लिक्विडिटी है. ये लो तो होल्ड नहीं करेगा. अगर यहाँ से नीचे जाएगा ना तो ये सीधा नीचे जाएगा. Most probably something within this, and then it's gonna pump up. So we'll be observing with you guys and let's see how it goes. But gold mein definitely after this low gets taken out, once prices dip down lower within this area, we can think of it pushing up higher. It is swap liquidity. Was that acting weird? Maybe it will just dump down lower from here. So I will try to act conservative, and as we have news today, like two major news today, red folder news events. So we'll play kind of safe and conservative and will not be aggressive. I am booking my loss, okay? I have take a loss here because I know that there's no point betting on this. I've exited my positions and I would request to exit two. Maybe this was not that of a logical trade because maybe price wanna dip down lower, but it's fine. You need to humble yourself. Winning streak चल रही थी. कोई नहीं, क्या ही है. You need to stay grounded. This activity was for that. But let's see. I'm still betting कि ये ऊपर जाएगा within the premium area. Let's see. Let's see if it works that like that. If not, it's fine. US 100, now my intent says that we are seeing higher prices and we are seeing these equal highs getting taken out. Even though this is a weak low, but the reaction is solid, maybe it has to take out some internal range uh, liquidity. I am seeing this high as a protected high, and I'm not really expecting this high to be taken out. But if we just narrow down and see what's there, so we do have this supply area sitting here that was unmitigated, that was left like that. So there's a very fair chance कि price यहाँ से शायद ऊपर जाए, liquidate करे in highs को, and then एक dump day. Very much possible. So we'll see how it builds up, and accordingly we will plan. क्या होता है आगे उस हिसाब से प्लान करेंगे. But yeah, let's see. It's possible that it might sell Euro USD and AUD USD, but I want the 15-minute structure to shift first. Background looks good. कुछ नहीं है भाई, बस एक पेड़, एक पौधा. Actually, I got multiple पौधाs. You can't see, I guess. You can see. You can't see. You can't see. I'll, I just need to थोड़ा revamp the room and uh, add some lightings. I also got some lamps. So let's see. Changing environment, थोड़ा सा atmosphere में change. We got an alert in gold. Gold has swept liquidity that we were expecting that it will sweep. It will sweep. It has done that. Let's see how what next. ऊपर आ जाए तो सही, नहीं आए तो शाम में देखेंगे. My God. Mm-mm. Very good, bros. Thanks for answering. बड़ा सही आंसर. देव मैंने मिस कर दिया भाई क्वेश्चन, बट या ब्रो, really amazing भाई. Thank you. Abhi, I don't think we will execute anything, just to be very honest. I'll be coming in New York, and right now I don't really see any setup for myself. ये लिक्विडिटी ये पक्की निकलेगी, बट मुझे इसके डायरेक्शन में बेट नहीं करना है. नहीं, मुझे अभी यहाँ कोई ट्रेड लेना है. आई विल जस्ट प्रिजर्व माय कैपिटल एंड यूज दिस रिस्क इन द इवनिंग, शाम वाले ट्रेड में. यहाँ पे डेफिनेटली एक इनएफिशिएंसी है जहाँ पे प्राइस आके कुछ कर सकती है, बट नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व इन दिस. कल US 100 में I was damn sure, firstly, that this was it this high? Yeah, yeah. This high is definitely supposed to go. Before the open, prices dipped down lower in 1 minute, obviously. Yeah. When this dip down happened, I entered longs exactly here. Like, sort of, like I was a bit late with this as a stop loss, and I booked my positions here. It was great, like quick within a minute wala trade. It was amazing. I booked not really here, something within this area. I booked my positions here. I got 1:1. And next I planned shots. I didn't execute it because I was away from screen, but I was aware that it's gonna push down lower. This as my so easy peasy trades yesterday we got. Of course, I was not live, but yeah, very great. Right now, I'm not really sure of where it's heading at the immediate area and when I will be entering in any of the position. But if it continue to hold bullish, I will be planning trades in such a way that I will expect that this high is supposed to go. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that builds up. चलो, और तो मेरे पास कुछ ट्रेड प्लान नहीं है भाई. तो अभी हम मिलेंगे शाम में around 6:30. And yeah, that was about it. Let's accept the loss and let's close it for this particular session. We will eventually make money, you all know that, right? And Deep, just to be honest, like when things don't works against like work in our favor, it's always better to just close the system and walk out. And you have seen like gold, कितने सारे crazy trade हमने लिए euro. So it's fine. Like even if you are profitable for just 60% of times, still you can end up making decent money. Not decent, but actually crazy money with just 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward. The problem happens when you go on a tilt and when you take your one loss, then after that there's no looking back. You just continue to trade and you either blow your account or maybe once or twice you make your money back. But again, to make more, when you risk money, you again end up losing all of that. So the best thing is walking out of your system, just closing your system, forcing yourself to just leave rather than just trying to recover. Because when you accept the loss and when you move on to the next day, you have fresh opportunities and you have still that same account, you have that money with you, which you can put online, can risk your money and get returns for the same. But let's say if you try to force yourself that you have to recover that money and make money today itself, as if the markets are not going to exist after this particular day, that's when things goes wrong for the most of us. भाई लॉस हुआ निकल जाओ, बता रहा हूं मैं, वेरी इजी। लॉस हुआ निकल जाओ, even if you go on a losing streak still, just, you know, let's say you are wrong for like straight 4 days, assume straight 4 days, 2% risk, still you will be down 8%। भाई बट ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना कि तुम भाई लॉसेस पे लॉसेस ही लिए जा रहे हो until and unless you are gambling और ओवर रिस्किंग और ओवर ट्रेडिंग। जब तक ये तीन सिनारियोज नहीं आ रहे तब तक तो तुम पैसे बना सकते हो। देयर इज ऑलवेज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ यू गोइंग राइट। And I am saying, like, on an average, even if your win rate is 50% with a risk reward of 1:3, still you can make crazy money. So just try to accept the losses and just take it gracefully. हाँ चल ठीक है भाई, होता है ये business में, this is the cost of doing the business. So just work on this thought process, and I believe 90% of the trading problem will vanish by just one action, that is staying conscious. Because most of us, when we take our first loss, we get into that state जहाँ पे we don't really realize what we are doing. And realization तब होती है जब अकाउंट या तो खत्म हो जाता है, या तो पर्सनल अकाउंट है तो, या तो बहुत बड़े ड्रॉडाउन में आ जाते हो, तब रियलाइज होता है। Staying conscious can actually solve a lot of problems. Trust me when I say this. Just be conscious about what you are risking. Be conscious about where exactly you are. So ask set of questions. Now the question is how to be conscious, right? Before you execute any trade, just ask few set of questions. Like, just try to observe yourself, try to document and journal yourself how exactly you are reacting to any situation, as if you are taking loss, as if you are winning. See how exactly you are reacting to those things, and you will be having common pointers. So when you are going on tilt, what is the trigger of that tilt? Why exactly you felt that sort of emotion that you need to recover, or what was that common trigger behind your these actions? When you will try to document this, and when you will try to journal your emotions, what you're feeling, why exactly this mistake has happened, because एक ही बार बहुत सारी like same mistakes करोगे तो तुम चूतिए हो। तो try to document and staying conscious, जो मैंने कहा, ask yourself questions before you execute any particular position. Just ask yourself, is it logical? Is it as per my setup? What I am trying to trade? Is it pro trend, counter trend? How I am feeling about this trade? If you're feeling bad about the trade in the first place and you're just staying out of FOMO, that is a like cross mark. That is definitely the trade that you should avoid, right? So just staying conscious can solve a lot of problems in trading. Trust me when I say this. Trust me. How many of you agree? We have 10 people with us. How many of you agree? Like, just asking right questions to yourself, being very conscious when you are taking any decisions. By doing this, you can solve like 90% of the problems. वही भाई, भाई तो मिलते हैं फिर, और just stay conscious and rest, take logical decisions, and don't trade in between. We have news, we will catch up in the evening, and let's execute together then. Okay. So yeah, that was about it. I will be seeing you all in the evening. Till then, bye bye, take care, and enjoy your meals. I'll see you. Bye.